have here? What do we have here? Oh, I didn't see you there. Today is day 23 of the 30-day green smoothie challenge, and today we are gonna cilantro bomb our smoothie. So we've done this with other herbs, but we've never done it with cilantro yet. And I have to give my girlfriend Kylie credit on this one because never in a million years would I have tried it. And then she put cilantro in one of our smoothies, and it actually tasted really good. So Kylie, if you're watching, thank you. In goes the cilantro, in go the baby greens. Every last one of them. We have our pineapple chunks, strawberries with the greens attached. Are you guys like, we get it, you never throw the greens off the strawberries yet? I'm gonna keep saying it because this is my video and I can do what I want. And then we have water. And we blend. And just like that, we're done. Go make yourself a smoothie with that bunch of cilantro. Do it. Go. Cheers.